everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today we are making Korean style Bok Choy, or you can say it instant kimchi. I have mentioned the word style as I have used few ingredients which are not native to Korean cuisine. This delectable dish is very easy and quick to make. Key ingredients to make this dish is Bok Choy, which is also called Bok Choy, and fermented soybean paste. So let's start making it by blanching the bok choy. But before that, make sure you have ice bath ready before starting your process. I have already put a pot with plenty of water on stove to boil and already cut the bok choy into bite size while removing its core. Now put it in a boiling water and blanch it for 30 seconds or until it turns bright green in color. Then take it out and transfer into ice bath. Let it cool down completely, then drain it and transfer it in a small bowl or a plate. Now take a bowl, add your other ingredients together, which includes finely chopped green onion or scallions, chopped garlic, green chilies, optional, ginger, sesame oil, red chili powder, mild Korean soybean paste. Now squeeze out as much water as you can from blanched bok choy and add it in a bowl with rest of the ingredients. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top. Mix everything really well. Taste it and add seasoning and vinegar if required. You can enjoy this with drinks or use it as a side dish for appetizers or main course. You are looking here for spicy, salty and pungent taste with juicy and crunchy texture of bok choy. Its strong, deep and complex umami flavor give a kick and a tingling sensation on back of your palate. You can find more information in description. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please let me know in comment section. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.